Today in this channel we see the demo of Unilevel product MLM software web page demo. If you are new to this channel, previously we have uploaded the same on binary e-commerce and also about the matrix e-commerce demos. So have a look into those videos in the description below. We are an MLM software development company in Chennai running more than 16 years, successfully completed 800 plus projects. Now let's have a short intro on what is Unilevel MLM plan. In Unilevel MLM plans, it is based on unlimited referrals. There is no fixed level plans like binary and matrix. In Unilevel, the commission works on two bases, namely referral and level commission. And if it is in product, you have purchase bonus and indirect purchase bonus. As you can see here, this is how the web page appears. In the main page, you will see the landing page and its content. These design and contents are the sample of this demo, and if you want to customize these things, you can do it in the admin panel, which we'll see in the further videos. And below you can see about us. In About Us, you will see a short description of how your MLM plan works based on your MLM business. So you can list about the details of your MLM business in 4 lines. For a detailed version, you can see on the next tab. And next you can see here is referrals. So in here, referrals mean you can refer your friend by copying this link as start refer, and if you refer, they will join you as an MLM member below you as a recruiter. And next you can see here is select your product. In select your product, as it is an product MLM, we have listed a samples of 8 products here, and you can always change these products listed shown here in the admin panel. And as it is a demo, we have listed only the sample demos here. And next is how it works. So in how it works page, you can see your MLM details, like how your MLM plan works and what business you are running and whether you have set the commission base, and everything is here in how it works. And next you can see is recent news. In recent news, you will see the MLM recent news and the latest MLM news updated here. All these news tab can be shown and displayed in this web page. And next is what our happy customers says. So in this, what a happy customer says refers to your testimonials of your users. So if a user is satisfied by your MLM plans, he or she can share their testimonials and reviews, which will be displayed in the web page here. And that's the landing page. And next is browse products. So in browse our products, you will see the main categories listed here, but these are all the samples and demos. You can change these products and customize it according to your MLM plan. So if you select a particular category, there will be a list of subcategories shown below. As you click on a particular subcategory, the product overall view will be shown, like the product's features, its current price and everything. As you can see, first you will be seeing the description. In description is about the product description, and next is reviews, and next is leave comment. So if you want to leave a comment, you can leave the comment about the product here. And below select your product, you will see your relevant products. So based on your MLM business plans, you can always customize these products according to your business, and which will be all altered and changed in the admin panel. You can continue watching this video, so you will be able to catch up on the admin panel video demo. And next is about us. So in about us, it's about MLM plan details and what MLM you run and your business plan informations, and everything is on about us. So what type of commissions you have set and everything is listed here. And you can also edit your vision and mission in this about us page. In below you can see our history. So if you have previously run an MLM business or anything you want to share with your viewers, you can always list it here in our history. And next tab is contact us. So contact us tab is really an important information page for your users, so the users can contact you. So keep updating your contact us to the latest details, and don't miss anything in contact us page. So it creates a user a trust, and if he or she faces any queries or doubts, he can immediately contact you. And next is refer friends. In refer friends, as I explained before, you can refer your friends. So the friends you refer, if they want to join your MLM business, they'll be directly recruited under you. So this is how refer friends page works, and that's all the user informations on the web page demo. So these all web page features like the browse products, about us, all can be customized, and the even contents can be altered and changed according to your wish. And if you are an MLM leader and if you are the owner of this software, keep watching our videos so that able to follow up on the admin demos. And that's the end of this video, and further we will see about the sign in and sign up process. Thank you.